I've always been consistent in the gym, but lately something started bothering me. So I decided it was time to do something about it. I kept thinking, what if this actually changes everything? During the consultation, everything became clear. I learned about my hair loss level and the solution.
Here you have some hairs, but just behind there is a less dense area, so we need to increase that area too. So after here, we will kill here, and the remaining grafts will be used for the crown.
Honestly, I was a bit nervous at first, but the team made me feel comfortable. I'm excited to see the results.
Okay, so you use steroids. You did the post-cycle treatments after the steroids. Did you know about that at that time?
I did it here and there, but it wasn't like something that I made a routine. And I realized like, okay, these things in my life aren't as important anymore. And I really think that it's important to, number one, have balance. So I just like what you had provided, just within like the knowledge. I think when I came in here, I wasn't sure what to expect. You know, I what really brought me here was a lot of like the doubt that I had, and the worries, or even like the safety of like being here in Turkey. You're like, am I gonna be lost?